So far, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Then you will see a bell button. If press that also, so that my future videos will come to you as a personal notification and you can enjoy it immediately. Thank you. Hello viewers. In this episode, let us see the meaning of the 7th sloka in the first Dashakam in the Narayaneeyam. In this Slokam, Narayana Bhattatri is looking at the Lord Guruvayurappan and says, "O invincible God, Lord Guruvayurappa, you are holding the portfolio of the creation job." He says it's very cruel because all Jivans right from the birth to the death, they are undergoing lot of sufferings. So he says the creation job is very cruel. But immediately he says, after thinking over it, "Oh, I am very sorry, I have wrongly told the creation job is very cruel, because unless you created these Jivans in this world, how they can see you and enjoy your beauty?" He says they are seeing your beauty through the eyes, and they are hearing about you through the ears, and they are remembering and they are thinking about your beauty through the mind. So this ocean of the nectarine, that is called, what is in Tamil, the Amudakadal. The ocean is nothing but, you can understand the ocean. The nectarine means the Amudakadal. They are drinking this nectarine of your bliss. That is what he says. So unless you created us, how we can do that? So the creation job is good. That is how he finishes the sloka. Now let us see the word by word meaning, so that you can better understand the meaning. Here he says, Kashta means cruel. Te srishti cheshta. Srishti, you can understand. Srishti means the creation, the activity of creation job. So te srishti cheshta kashta, like that it goes. So creation job is very cruel. Bahutara bhava kheta avaha, it says. So various kind of sorrows, these human beings are undergoing various kind of sorrows. That is what he says. Bahutara bhava kheta avaha. Then jiva bhajam means the living kinds, all living kinds. So he says iti evam. Iti evam means so thus. So what it says, Jiva Bhajam Bahutara Bhava Keta Avaha. So all living kinds undergo the various kinds of sorrows. That is what he says. Ajita Maya means, he says the first word I told you, no, invincible God, Lord Guruvayurappa. That is how the word is coming from here. So Ajita Maya. Then Purvamalochitam means the earlier I thought. Purvam means early. So earlier I thought it was cruel. Now he says Maya means by me. So how you have to understand? See, I thought earlier the creation job was cruel because the human beings, the Jivans were undergoing lot of sufferings, right from the birth till the death. That is what he says. Then he says, Noche jivaha katamba. Then he says, otherwise how could they seen you? Otherwise, how could the human beings, that is what he says, Noche jivaha means, otherwise how could the human beings, Madura dharamidham means very delightful. Maduram. Maduram means sundaram. So it is very delightful. It is ramyam. That is what he says. Tatvabuhu. means the form of Guruvayurappan. Tat Vabuhu means a form of Guruvayurappan. How they can see if unless they are created, how they can see the form of the Guruvayurappan? Then Chitras Ardra. Then the sloka goes, Chitras Ardra means the supreme bliss, consciousness and saturated. That is what the meaning for this. Netraihi Srotraihi means, see, through the eyes you are seeing the Lord Guruvayurappan. Through the ears you are hearing about the Lord Guruvayurappan. What is that meaning for the hearing through the Lord Guruvayurappan? So the thing is, when you go directly to the Guruvayur, what happens? You are looking at the Lord Guruvayurappan, enjoying the beauty through the ears, through the eyes. Then, if somebody goes to Guruvayur and if they comes back and they say and describes about the beauty of the Narayanan, then it is hearing through the ears. That is hearing through the beauty of the Lord Guruvayurappan. You are hearing through the ears. Then it is you are thinking the Narayanan about through the mind also. So that is what it describes. Pitva netraihi srotraischa pitva. Pitva means drinking. That is what you are thinking about. Seeing the Lord Guruvayurappan, hearing about the Lord Guruvayurappan, sensing him through the mind. All these things means pitva means drinking. Then Parama rasa sudha ambodhi bhure. Then what it comes? In full measure in the ocean of nectarine bliss. That is what the meaning for this word, the sentence that is what the meaning of this sentence. The nectarine means in the Amudam, the ocean is a ocean. Amuda, Kadal means the nectarine, ocean of nectarine. And then the bliss. What is the meaning of the bliss? Bliss is the perfect happiness. So perfect happiness you are when you are drinking the Amuda Kadal, that is the nectarine and the ocean of nectarine, you are deriving the happiness. Rameran means the revive. That is what it revives. See, when you think about the God, Lord Guruvayurappan, when you are seeing about the Lord Guruvayurappan, when you are thinking about the Lord Guruvayurappan, you are getting the pleasure of as if you are drinking the amudam. That is what they nectarine. This is called nectarine, and this is wonderful feeling. So the creation job is not cruel. As though I thought previously earlier that it was cruel. It is not so. I was wrong. So that is the meaning of this sloka. Now you heard the word by word meaning. Now what you have to do means you please go through the sloka again by observing the meaning of the words, and then definitely you will enjoy the sloka. Thank you for watching this video. Next, let us see the video, the 8th sloka in the first Dashakam. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.